celebrating 14th of August, a day of pride, a day of freedom, a day of hope, a day of green and white flag. It doesn't give us only celebrating of 14th August, it also reminds us our duty as a citizens towards our beloved country. इस मिट्टी से वफा तुम भी करो, हम भी करें. इसका जो हक है, वो अदा तुम भी करो, हम भी करें.
On this day, 1947, Pakistan emerged as an independent country after years of struggle and countless sacrifices. The future of Pakistan depends upon the honesty, dedication, and determination of its people.
This is the day when Pakistan came on map as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. When Pakistan was created, the situation was very difficult. There was no proper resources, no proper setup, and many problems. Your leaders, people starting building this nation from zero.